Assalamu alaikum grade 1. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home. May Allah Ta'ala protect you and you remain safe at home. One class, it's your science lesson. We have started unit number 5, keeping safe. In previous 2 lectures we done its reading and question answer. Today we are going to solve its objective. Fill in the blanks and true false we are going to solve today. Before starting this chapter, let's revise what before starting this objective, let's revise what we read in that one chapter. One class, what we read there, how we can keep ourselves safe. In that one chapter we read there are some things that are not good for us, so we will not touch that things, we will not go near that things, we should keep ourselves away from that one things. After that we read where should we play. We should not play near ponds, lakes. How should we cross the road. When we are on the road, we should follow safety rules. Okay, one class. In previous 2 lectures in chapter we read this one. Now one class we are going to solve its objective. You can see objective in front of you. Unit number 5, keeping safe. Objective, fill in the blanks with correct answer. We are going to fill the blanks with correct answer. They have given us 2 answers. We are going to fill blanks with correct one answer. If we see first one, we can touch dash, it is not dangerous for us. One class, हम कौन सी चीज़ को टच कर सकते हैं, ये हमारे लिए dangerous नहीं है. They have given us 2 options, fire, आग को या egg. Yes, one class, हम किस चीज़ को टच कर सकते हैं, egg को. egg, yes, egg, वो जो हम खाते हैं. yes, it is not dangerous for us. इसको हम टच कर सकते हैं. We can touch egg. It is not dangerous for us. But fire is dangerous for us. आग हमारे लिए dangerous है. So which what will come here? Egg. Second one, we should not touch dash. It is dangerous for us. One class, they have given us 2 options. They are saying हमें किस चीज़ को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. It is dangerous for us. 2 options they have given for us. One is switch, next one is bread. So we should not touch switch. हमें switch को touch नहीं करना चाहिए because it is dangerous for us. Third one, we should play in dash. हमें one class कहाँ खेलना चाहिए? In ground or near rivers. What will come here? In ground. Fourth one, we should not cross the road while dash is passing away. हमें रोड को क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए जब क्या गुजर रही हो. while dash is passing away. What is passing away? Traffic is passing away or people. जब लोग गुजर रहे हैं या ट्रैफिक गुजर रही है. one class, yes, when traffic is passing away we should not cross the road, so we will write here traffic. Fifth one, we should cross the road dash. हमें रोड को कैसे क्रॉस करना चाहिए? केयरलेसली and carefully. Yes, carefully. We should cross the road carefully. Now we are going to solve true false. They are saying write T for true and F for false. One class, which statement will true, we will write there T, and which is wrong, we will write there F. First one, playing with matchbox is dangerous for us. One class, जब हम matchbox से खेलेंगे तो ये हमारे लिए dangerous है ना. Yes, it is dangerous for us, so it is true, we will write there T. Second one, we should play near ponds, lakes and rivers. One class, हमें इन चीज़ों के पास खेलना चाहिए. We should play near ponds, lakes and rivers. No, we should not play there. They are saying we should play. So it is wrong statement. We will write there false F. Third one, we should play with knife. We should play with knife. हमें knife के साथ खेलना चाहिए. No, it is wrong. So we will write there F. Fourth one, fire is not dangerous for us. They are saying आग हमारे लिए dangerous नहीं है. Dangerous है. अगर हम आग के पास खेल रहे हैं तो it is dangerous for us. So they are saying wrong. Fire is not dangerous for us. It is wrong. We will write there false F. Fifth one, playing piano is not dangerous for us. हम जब piano play करते हैं तो ये हमारे लिए dangerous नहीं है. Yes, it is true. So we will write there T. One class, I hope you have understood. You will solve this one, fill in the blanks and true false on your worksheet. Writing should be very neat. You are very good students. I hope you will do your work very carefully. You are very good students. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.